Well, hello, and what you're looking at here is the bell tower of St Patrick's Roman Catholic Church on the outskirts of DRUMQUIN village. And this memorial here is in memory of the Reverend Patrick McCluskey, who was, of course, a priest. Having been 10 years pastor of this parish, he died on the 14th of April, 1874, aged 68 years. And then on the other side, it mentions the man who had the chapel built here in 1832, and that was the Reverend Arthur STARRS. And as you can see, it says 1832, and his name is there as well. So I'm going to take you up and let you see the bell tower here. And of course, this is a remnant of one of Tyrone's oldest churches. It's the bell tower, as I say, of St Patrick's Roman Catholic Church. And it was in use for 160 years before it succumbed to time and was replaced by a modern church across the road. And you can see the bell tower there and the bell attached to it. Now, shortly after the penal laws eased in 1829, the Reverend Arthur STARRS took it upon himself to immediately establish a church for Roman Catholics here in the DRUMQUIN area. However, the Reverend STARRS was not the first to hold religious services here on these grounds. There had been existing graves and a primitive wooden structure with a thatch roof used as a clandestine place of worship before the Reverend STARRS had this chapel built. Now, during the construction of this new church, a Dublin-based architect by the name of Campbell was acquired for its design and construction. So the new church opened its doors in 1832. And it's still used today for the likes of weddings. On passing today on my way to the Drumore Presbyterian Church to preach, that wee green door there was open. But unfortunately it's not open now. And I hadn't time to stop earlier. It would have been great to have a look inside. So I want to show you this grave here. This is the Reverend Joseph Patrick Teeney, parish priest, DRUMQUIN, born in parish of Dunamore, 1880, ordained priest, 1908, appointed parish priest of DRUMQUIN, 1946, and he died on the 26th of November, 1955. And then the other one is the Reverend Patrick McGoldrick, parish priest, born 1912, ordained in Maynooth, 1936, parish priest of DRUMQUIN, 1970 to 1976, Moville 1976 to 1987, and he died on the 2nd of June 2003. And it looks a bit like a medieval tower, doesn't it? With those pillars. So the rest of the church is gone. This is all that's left of it. The bell tower. You can't really see in there. They still bury in here, of course. So I'll take you across the road and I'll give you a better view of it. Of course, this is on the outskirts of DRUMQUIN village. So there you go, that's the bell tower of St Patrick's Roman Catholic Church. So thanks for watching and God bless.